Single leg knee pulls. The purpose of this exercise is to help open up the hip joint, stretching the hamstring and glute. One at a time. Okay, I'm going to have Johnny take us through it. First thing I want you to do, Johnny, is lie on your back. From here, you want to make sure that your feet are in line, shoulder width apart, chin tucked down. Perfect. Now, I want you to bring one knee and pull it into your chest. Gripping it, hands over and top of the knee. Good. From here, I want you to ensure that the knee isn't pulled tight too close to the chest, but slightly at a slight angle, not to nip the hip flexor, which is quite a problem at times. Okay, now from here, I want you to ensure your shoulders are pulled and rolled down tight to the floor and back down and in. Good. So this gap between the shoulder is locked in. Next, I want to ensure that your head and chin is pulled in tight. Now, I want you to hold this movement for 60 seconds. The muscles you'll feel here will be hamstring, getting stretched, the glute, getting stretched. Sometimes this hamstring and calf, if tight, will get stretched as well. Things to watch out for will be this knee popping up, this leg either too far going one way or too far going the other. The hands too close down to the shin. Shoulders rolling forward, or the head crowning back instead of keeping tilted down. Once the minute's up, we're going to swap to the other side, exactly the same. Good, same technique, good transition. So Johnny transitioned, swapping one leg back, straight, bringing the other knee up and tight to the chest, ensure the shoulders stay down and back, not to pull the shoulders forward into the knee, but the knee into the ground. Holding this for 60 seconds again. Things to watch out for will be the shoulders right into the ears, keeping them down and back, not to tense up, and keeping the neck and chin all tucked down. Holding this, as I say, for 60 seconds. Once the 60 seconds are up, we're going to alternate back to the far side and continue to go back and forward till 3 rounds are done on each side. That'll be a total of 3 minutes on each side. Good work, Johnny. Good luck, guys.